Hey, here's how you can recover and restore your deleted Instagram messages in the quickest way possible. So for that, first you have to open up your Instagram and go to your profile, then tap the hamburger menu, then go to account center. Then choose your information and permissions, then select export your information. Tap on create export, then choose your Instagram account. Now here you have to select where to export your data. You can select device or external service. I will go with export to device. And now this part is important. You will see an option to get notified when your data is ready. So you have to choose your email from here and save it. Now from the customize information section, you have to scroll to find messages option and you have to make sure it's selected and then save it. Now choose the date range. I usually go with the all time so I get every single message. You can also choose the format and media quality, but default works fine. And when you are ready, just tap start export and enter your Instagram password. After this, Instagram will prepare your data. It usually takes about 15 to 30 minutes. So once it's ready, you will see this option download. So download the file from here. So if the download file show in Safari, you have to check your files app, then go to downloads, and here you will find this kind of zip file. So just tap on once here and it will uncompress by itself. And here you will find this folder, Instagram activity, then go to message and hit on inbox. Here you will see all your chats organized by person. So just go one by one and check the messages from here. You can also see photos, audio files, and media you sent or received before. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.